Миноствол, уши! Выстрел!
As tensions between Russia and Ukraine reach a fever pitch, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has made a significant decision, postponing his scheduled foreign visits. The announcement came through his press secretary, Sergei Nikiforov, adding an air of intrigue to an already volatile situation. While the exact motive behind the postponement remains undisclosed, it coincides with troubling reports from the Russian Defense Ministry. On Wednesday, Moscow's forces reportedly captured the village of Globokoye and Lukyansky, located near the Ukraine-Russia border. Ukrainian Defense Minister Rustem Umerov has acknowledged the challenging situation faced by Kyiv's troops, describing it as extremely difficult and emphasizing the urgent need for increased ammunition deliveries from Ukraine's allies. Concerns about Ukraine's readiness to repel a major Russian attack have been long-standing, with Ukrainian officials frequently expressing frustration over delays in receiving Western arms shipment. In April, Kirill Budanov, the head of Kyiv's military intelligence, warned of impending challenges in mid-May and early June. The Kharkiv region has emerged as a focal point of conflict, with Ukrainian forces using it as a base to launch artillery and drone attacks on Russian border areas. These attacks, often targeting residential buildings, have resulted in numerous civilian casualties. Russian President Vladimir Putin has previously hinted at the possibility of establishing a cordon sanitaire in Kyiv-controlled territories to prevent further attacks. As tensions continue to mount, President Zelensky's decision to postpone his foreign visits underscores the gravity of the situation. With Moscow's forces making significant territorial gains and Ukrainian troops struggling to hold ground, the conflict between Russia and Ukraine shows no signs of abating. The international community closely monitors developments in the region, mindful of the potential implications for regional stability and global security. Moreover, amid the intensifying conflict in Kharkiv region, Russian drones are systematically targeting Ukrainian military assets, notably including the advanced 155mm 2S-22 Bogdana self-propelled guns. Footage circulating online revealed the precise destruction of at least 2 Bogdanas by Lancet kamikaze UAVs. A devastating blow given their strategic significance in engaging targets up to 50 kilometers away with NATO's standard shells. The loss of these SPGs, as reported by various Telegram channels, highlights the grim reality of Ukraine's limited arsenal facing relentless assaults. The situation is compounded by Russia's offensive advancements in the region, claiming control over key settlements, while Ukrainian forces struggle to stabilize the precarious situation, as stated by Kyiv's military intelligence chief Kirill Budanov.